You're using AI for school completely wrong, and it's about to backfire spectacularly. I'm seeing students make these same devastating mistakes over and over, and some are actually getting expelled. Today I'm showing you exactly what not to do with AI in your academic work, plus the smart alternatives that'll actually help you succeed. Here's the biggest problem I'm seeing. Students are treating AI like a magic homework machine, and universities are fighting back hard. They're rolling out advanced AI detection software, updating their academic integrity policies, and some professors are giving automatic zeros for AI misuse. The landscape has completely changed, and if you're still using AI the old way, you're walking into a trap. Let me show you the first major mistake that's getting students in serious trouble. Never, and I mean never, copy and paste AI responses directly into your assignments. I'm talking about opening ChatGPT, typing "write my essay on climate change," hitting that send button, copying that generated text, and submitting it as your original work. This is academic suicide. Here's why this fails so badly. First, AI detection tools like Turnitin's AI writing detection and GPT-0 can spot this instantly. They analyze writing patterns, sentence structures, and even the way AI organizes information. Second mistake that's absolutely crushing students right now. Stop having AI complete entire assignments for you. I see students going to Claude or ChatGPT and saying, "Solve all my calculus homework" or "write my entire research paper." Then they submit everything without adding any personal insight or understanding. This defeats the entire purpose of education. Your professors aren't just grading your final answers, they're evaluating your learning process, your critical thinking, and your ability to synthesize information. The third mistake is even more dangerous. Students are trusting AI-generated information without fact-checking anything. AI can produce incredibly convincing content that's completely wrong. I've seen students submit papers with fake statistics, non-existent research studies, and completely fabricated historical events, all because they trusted AI output blindly. AI doesn't browse the internet in real time for most models, and even when it does, it can misinterpret or hallucinate information. Now here's mistake number 4, and this one's getting students expelled. Using AI during exams or tests without explicit permission. Some students are sneaking AI tools into online exams, using AI to answer quiz questions, or even having AI complete take-home tests entirely. Universities are tracking this behavior through exam monitoring software, unusual answer patterns, and submission timestamps that don't match realistic completion times. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily, helping you navigate technology the right way. Mistake number 5 is creating fake citations and sources. Students are asking AI to add citations to this paper, and AI generates realistic-looking but completely fake academic sources. Professors can spot this immediately when they try to verify your references. Some AI tools will create authors that don't exist, journals that aren't real, or publication dates that don't match actual research timelines. Here's mistake 6 that's becoming incredibly common. Students are over-relying on AI for critical thinking tasks. They're using AI to analyze literature, interpret data, form arguments, and draw conclusions without engaging their own analytical skills. Your professors can tell when writing lacks genuine personal insight or original thought. AI-generated analysis often feels generic and misses the nuanced understanding that comes from actual human engagement with the material. Mistake 7 is ignoring your institution's specific AI policies. Every university is handling AI differently right now. Some completely ban it, others allow it with disclosure, and some permit it only for certain types of assignments. Students are getting in trouble because they're not checking their syllabus, their student handbook, or their university's updated academic integrity policies. You need to know exactly what your school allows before using any AI tools. The 8th mistake is trying to bypass AI detection tools instead of learning proper usage. I see students searching for how to make AI writing undetectable or using paraphrasing tools to disguise AI content. This is backward thinking. Instead of trying to cheat the system, focus on using AI as a legitimate learning aid. Here's what responsible AI use actually looks like. Use AI for brainstorming and idea generation, not final content creation. Open ChatGPT and ask it to help you outline your essay structure or suggest different angles for your research topic. Then take those ideas and develop them with your own research, analysis, and writing. Use AI as a research starting point, never as your final source. Ask AI to suggest relevant topics, key terms to search for, or potential academic databases to explore. Then go find the actual scholarly sources yourself. Use your university's library database, Google Scholar, or academic journals to find real, citable sources. Leverage AI for explaining complex concepts you're struggling with. If you don't understand a mathematical formula or a philosophical theory, ask AI to explain it in simpler terms. Use this understanding to then engage with your actual course materials more effectively. Use AI as a writing tutor, not a writing replacement. Paste your own draft into ChatGPT and ask for feedback on structure, clarity, or argument strength. Ask it to identify areas where you need stronger evidence or clearer explanations. Then revise your work based on those suggestions. Here are the pro tips that'll keep you out of trouble while actually improving your learning. Always disclose AI usage when your institution requires it. Many schools now have disclosure statements or specific formats for acknowledging AI assistance. Check your assignment guidelines and follow them exactly. Fact check everything AI tells you. Use AI-provided information as a starting point, then verify it through legitimate academic sources. Cross-reference statistics, check dates, and confirm that studies and authors actually exist. Keep records of your learning process. Save your research notes, your draft versions, and your revision history. This shows professors that you've engaged in genuine learning, even if you used AI as a tool along the way. Never use AI for subjects requiring specialized calculations or technical accuracy without verification. General AI models aren't designed for advanced mathematics, engineering calculations, or scientific formulations. Use subject-specific tools or verify everything with your textbook and course materials. Set boundaries for your AI usage. Decide upfront what you will and won't use AI for. Maybe you'll use it for brainstorming but not for writing. Maybe for research suggestions but not for analysis. Having clear personal boundaries helps you stay in the learning zone rather than the cheating zone. Remember, the goal of education isn't just to produce correct answers, it's to develop your thinking, research, and communication skills. AI should enhance these capabilities, not replace them. When you use AI as a learning partner rather than a shortcut, you'll actually perform better academically and build skills that'll serve you throughout your career. The students who are succeeding with AI are the ones who understand that it's a powerful tool for learning, not a replacement for learning. They're transparent about their usage, they fact-check everything, and they use AI to deepen their understanding rather than avoid the hard work of thinking. Here at TechNavigator Pro, we believe in helping you navigate your tech journey with confidence. That means using these powerful AI tools responsibly and effectively, whether you're in school, starting your career, or advancing your skills. Subscribe for more tutorials on using technology the right way, and remember that the best tech users are the ones who understand both the capabilities and the limitations of their tools.